All right. Um, Today I'm going to show you inside of this device here. Uh, this is a bulk um, converter. Um, it's actually called IPS um, DTD24S53. I think what it stands for is IP standard, IPS DC to DC, 24 volts, um, 24 volts to 24 volt series to 5 volt 3 amps, if, if that is correct. All right, so I actually bought these from AliExpress with the intention of using it to power my DIY BMS, which requires 5 volts and less than 2 amps to power it. Um, I mean, not quite long when I bought it. I think on my second test, I burnt it, right? I actually put the if you study if you've used this kind of thing very well, you know that this is where this is the power source. This is where you this is the input side. If you look at it very well, uh, that so this is the input side. You see it's N input side, and this is output side. The input can take between 8 to 36 volts and a steady output of 5 3 amp volts. So I made a mistake uh, by you know connecting this side to the power source. All right, and that released the magic smokes. You know, um, I actually burnt everything. So that is on the second trial. I just want to see what is inside of this buck converter. I just want to know if what is inside is pretty the same as what we have in all the regular buck converters. You know, where we have the inputs, you have the capacitor, you have the chip, and then you have the coil, and then you have the capacitor again, and then you have the output. So I want to see, I mean, something like that. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys. All right, I'm gonna start ripping it from this side. Yeah, hope it's focusing now. It has aluminum metal case there. All right, you just just put it aside and takes you to the this plastic cover. Let's see. I think that's it open from the side. Okay. All right. Um, positive positive the red wire is out. Let me take this out as well. Let me do the same on this side. Yeah. Okay. I think this is just a cover, more or less it's more or less what do you call this material? I think I just have to rip it open. Let me see if I can do that. Oh, this black wire. I'm sorry about the background noise. I'm doing this video from outside my premises. That's why you're hearing those noises. Actually, this thing is hard than I think. This is not looking like it's like a plastic. I don't know how to call this kind of material here that they use. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Getting there gradually, right? You can see a capacitor somewhere here. You can see a capacitor there. I hope we'll get to. Okay, I think it's becoming easier to separate now. Yeah, I think they use these to protect. They use this to protect the circuit inside, and probably to also minimize the fire that all right. A lot of padding here. Yeah, okay, we're getting to the bond side. Getting to the bond side. Now getting there. Oh. Let's continue and read the rest of. Okay. It's pretty easy and straightforward now. There's a chip here. Not sure I can detail that. Not sure I can detail everything. I don't know what this material they poured on this guy. If you know this material that they poured on this guy, if you know the name, just let me know in the comment section. I thought something that, okay, we get into the coil part. Yeah, get in there. I think yeah, again myself there. Let me clean that as expected. Okay, I think we accustomed on it, and yeah, this is exactly what I'm expecting to see. I'm expecting to see the I don't know what you guys call it, the capacitor um, on the input side and the output side. I don't know what those capacitors what it I don't know what they do. I don't know, usually for buck converters, even for boost converters, you see input capacitors. You see capacitor on the input side and the output side. After that, you'll see a coil and a chip. Okay, I want to try as much as possible not to damage any of these component. Okay, so that get to see we can get to see the actual component in detail. My recommendation for whoever want to use this kind of buck converter is that try as much as possible to get um, a scotch sheet out to use on the output side, so that this kind of mess that I got myself into won't happen to you. Okay. It was later that I bought this that I realized uh, that I have to use scotch dab, okay, to prevent flowback of current. Yeah, so we see we're beginning to see the capacitor here. This is the output side. See the capacitor for the output side as well. And then this is the coil we're getting there. And then I want to believe this chip is here. It's damaged already. Okay. Yeah. It's burnt already. Yes. Uh, yeah. It's burnt. It's burnt. Blown, blown completely. Um, I don't know if it's possible. If I can get there, I'll just try to see if I can repair this board by just replacing this guy here, this little ship here. But it will be difficult because I don't know how I can clean up everything on the board. All right. I even doubt if these capacitors will still be working. Anyway, I have a lot of I have a lot of different bulk converters. I bought several ones after this one that that are that are put into so many projects. I'm just curious to see what is inside. So, and that's why I'm doing this video. I'm hurting myself a lot. Okay, I think I can use my hand to try to do the rest now. Difficult anyway. It's difficult. Um, I don't know if this is possible to get to see the actual. There's something written here that I want you guys to see. Maybe it's something you can get online on AliExpress again. I mean the board, the name of the board itself. Uh, what is written here is, let me focus there for you guys. See EV25 K2405 C2Q version 1.0 2033. I don't know what that means. We are not here in year 2033. I don't know what that means. So I think I have to look for this board on the AliExpress again and try to see what chip is here. This chip and this capacitor really got burnt badly. Okay, this chip here and the capacitor here. I mean this capacitor burnt seriously. I think it burned the board. Yeah, it burned the board. Yes, I see. Can you see? Can you see that? So no way to repair this guy. No way to repair this guy. Okay, this guy is gone. All right. I think this is how far I can go to show you guys what is inside this bulk converter. So here we'll see the coil. I don't know if I can still use the coil for anything. Here, the coil is there. This capacitor is there. I want to believe this capacitor is still good. So the problem is just that when the current flowed, if you leave this direction, it just burned the capacitor, it burned the chip. It's not meant to flow that way, and then that's exactly what happened. I want to believe this component, this capacitor, this coil, this capacitor, and everything, down this side, still up, is still fine. So, but well. I'm not gonna try to repair this one. Just want to show you what is inside. Just curious to know what is inside. Then probably later I'm gonna check this board on AliExpress. Uh, you know, just to have an idea if it's available on AliExpress, and to see if I can buy it. All right, good. So this is how far I can go, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you on the next one.